The cotyledons are the first two shoots that emerge from the seed embryo. And it's yellow because it's sort of like it's that new beginning, and it's that first approach of spring when the seed embryo starts to germinate and the first two shoots that form photosynthesis start to emerge. So these are the first two seed shoots coming out, and they will eventually visually develop into leaf forms, right? And these pieces down here, as a little translation, becomes the husk of the seed embryo, and then the stem going down into the ground. So it's the beginning of spring, it's the formulation of photosynthesis, it's a new life, and it's a new growth. It's symmetrical, but also at the same time, it's also gestural and asymmetrical. So it has a bit of a lean or a gesture to it that gives a sense of motion or action or direction, of like kinetic energy. There's a surge, there's an opening point. And that's the way I saw this piece compositionally. The thing that happens with this piece, this half-round stem form, which I really like a lot, because from the side it gives you more of an edge. So it gives you more of an elongation of a line quality, as opposed to a volumetric form from this side, going from the large into that taper. So there's definitely a front and the back. There's a side element to it. But the thing about the pieces is that they're continuous within their movement. And I worked with these triangulated forms here because they can play off of each other and change direction. Most of the work that I do are just observations of nature, and sort of like usually the beginning forms, because that's where all the energy is. That's where all the power is within that. And then things grow and emerge from there. But that's where possibility and hope begins.